Picture yourself weaving through the dense crowds of a thriving metropolis. The sun is radiating a glorious heat, and the pavement is swarming with commuters rushing toward their next destination. Suddenly, there is an intoxicating scent, a complex harmony of charred wood, exotic spices, and dough being baked to perfection. This isn't merely a quick bite. It represents the culinary soul of the city. This is the raw, unrefined allure of street food. Virtually every corner of the globe prides itself on a signature dish that defines its public spaces. In the heart of Mexico, you'll witness dedicated foodies queuing patiently for authentic tacos, garnished with a sharp squeeze of lime. In Vietnam, a steaming, fragrant bowl of pho serves as the ultimate remedy for a dismal, rain-soaked afternoon. Meanwhile, amongst the frantic pace of Manhattan, a classic coarse salted pretzel remains the go-to staple for those on the move. Journey to India, and you'll find that the bustling markets offer a staggering array of vibrant, savoury delicacies. The variety is always exceptional, and the flavours are incredibly mouth-watering. What exactly accounts for the everlasting popularity of street food? It's arguably the ultimate intersection of efficiency and authenticity. In stark contrast to fine dining, there's no requirement for advance reservations or the pretension of a formal dress code. You don't need to wear a suit and tie to experience world-class flavors. Instead, you claim your spot on the curb and bond with strangers over a shared meal. It's budget-friendly, prepared with total transparency, and the quality is frequently unparalleled. It's often remarked that food is a universal language, one that effortlessly bypasses linguistic barriers and national borders. We don't require a sophisticated vocabulary to appreciate a heritage-rich meal or to connect with someone from a different walk of life. Whether we're navigating our plates with utensils or simply using our hands, street food has a profound ability to foster a sense of community. It effectively shrinks the globe, reminding us that we're all part of one interconnected human family. I'm curious to hear your perspective. What street food serves as the must-try landmark in your hometown? Do you have a favorite dish? Would you recommend it to others? What countries have you visited? And what street food have you tried? Practice your English writing by sharing your recommendations in the comments.